Hey guys,
YouTube.
we are back with another Snack Nation box. You guys ready for this?
We're not ready for this.
Let's get into it. I can't get it open.
Hurry's gonna break the box.
Probably.
Maybe that's because the kids spell juice.
Juice kids. Ow. I did it. Yeah.
Eat well. Shine bright. Like a diamond.
What?
Oh, my finger's on it.
That's cute.
Let's get it in.
You know, these I'm kind of excited for. I know. I've seen these a few places before. These little cookie things.
Bisco?
Yeah, I've
Girl, they got those at the Dollar Tree.
I've seen them in a few places, and I've been like, man, I don't know if they're any good or not, and I didn't really try
No,
them.
nothing.
Nothing. From the almond people. What do we have here? Oh, a chocolate chunk cookie. I'm excited about that. I really like sweets. And
Oh no.
chips.
It's a banana nut butter bar.
Hey.
Might go well, we don't know.
I think we just had these not too long ago, but in a different flavor, maybe, or the same
they were
one.
jalapeno.
Were they? I don't know. If you know, let us know. We'll have to go back in the archives. And see.
Apple chips.
Oh, that's cool. And then, woo, we got. Okay, so like last time, we're gonna start off with like more savory, and then go on to the sweeter things. We'll start with the chips. We know we're gonna like those. I mean, it's kind of silly. I think that we've already done this particular brand, and then we might have even done this particular.
No, it was green last time.
Was it? We really like them. So.
Oh, maybe it was in the first box.
Maybe. I think we have done the barbecue.
I don't know how many boxes.
I don't know, but we usually do get one bag of chips in every box. But I usually rank the chips pretty high because, you know, we used to be fat girls. We're still a little chunky, but we used to be fat girls. I like them. I knew I would. I love barbecue chips.
I don't like barbecue chips.
You don't like barbecue chips?
No, I really don't.
Do you like these ones?
I'm sorry.
It's alright. You have to speak up a little louder. They can hear you.
I'm not a crunchy person. Except for those Nilla bars we buy.
And then your carb count is 15 grams for a whole bag. So that's pretty. Nothing. It says
cheese flavored.
on the back it says from the almond people. So I assume they're almond.
Okay, so supposedly you can eat this whole bag for 41 grams.
41 grams. Okay.
It's a pretty big bag.
It does look. It was taller than the chip bag. So.
Maybe you eat it with cheese. Use the healthy version of a cheese dip.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Oops. There's a lot of these little things in here.
That's strange. It's a wannabe wheat thing.
It is kind of, but it's like crunchier like a chip, but
tastes like a sesame seed.
right. It does. Like in trail mix sometimes that you get from like Costco or whatever, they have these like little puffed rice like oblongy pieces, and it tastes like that, but like in a cracker. That's what I would say.
It's a snack cracker. That's what it is. It's a healthy cheese dip.
That is pretty good. Now I'm pretty impressed. I mean, like,
it's almond and rice. That's why it's so high.
I was like, I don't know if I would do the whole 44 grams. Like, I'd probably do like half. What is it? 44, 41? What did you say?
41.
I mean, they're good.
You get 1 gram of fiber.
But I would probably eat like half the bag and call it 20. And then I would probably just do that if it was like dinner, if we were having like sandwiches or something.
Maybe like something good to try with summer sausage. They have like bigger ones that come in the box.
Like a rice cake effect almost? Like a tiny baby rice cake?
No, like a cracker. Bigger cracker. Not like
We'll have to
cheese
try them. I don't know. We got some more fun videos coming up. I know you hear us saying that a lot, but it's
It sounds like a lot.
ahead and turn it. Alright, next we have these. They are some freeze-dried or dehydrated, I'm not sure yet, with apples. They're baked. They're baked. It says so right on the bag. Baked, crunchy, natural bare apples. So, according to this, it has gluten-free, fat-free, no oil, no sugar. It's a good source of fiber, no preservatives. So, apparently, like, all it has is an apple, I guess.
Baked enough.
But I do not actually... It just says ingredients, apples. That's it. Just apples. No water, no nothing. Just apples.
Baked in the oven.
So, I'm always horrible at opening packages. Alright. So, that's right. Oh, they're like tiny pieces.
Ew.
Like, oh! You just did that. Why do you always do that? She doesn't just reach in and grab one. She dumps them out and then she just everywhere.
Go back in the bag.
They taste like an apple. It's like an
Oh
apple
yeah,
chip.
it does taste like an apple.
It's like an apple chip.
Don't try this out.
I like them.
So let's pour out the bag too.
It does open very largely.
And it doesn't reseal.
No.
Whoa.
And
Are you
since they're
supposed to
like-
eat this whole thing?
And since they're
If
like,
you're only supposed to eat half a cup.
how much is half a cup? Like, how many servings?
That's 1/3, 1.3 serving. So it's like 2.
Almost a whole bag.
So you don't have a stupid amount left.
That's not nice. I like them. I think they taste good. If you have 2 people, then you save a little bit on your serving.
Unless you don't like them.
In case you were wondering, these were 27 grams per, like, one and a little bit less than one. So, just so you knew that one first. What about that one?
The Purely Elizabeth bar.
Oh.
It's banana nut butter. It's got a chewy texture and a salty sweet taste. I don't know.
Y'all are wondering, I'm just over here giving some insulin for all the stuff we're eating.
This
I am
supports
so
healthy
excited.
immune function and aids the body's response to stress.
That's good. I need some immune booster, you know. Type 1s always need some immune booster.
It's 14 grams for the whole bar.
Well, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Especially if they taste good.
Oh, are you gonna find out? It's a pretty decent sized bar.
There's the knife.
Kind of looks weird.
I think all the granola bars kind of look weird. What do you think? Granola bars are kind of like a weird looking food anyway. It's not like, food is not naturally shaped this way.
Like a rectangle? On it. That's different.
Is that sunflower seeds? It has almost like a rice type texture in there.
Cashews, sunflower kernels,
Mhm.
pumpkin seed, coconut nectar, almond meal, coconut, coconut sugar, raw coconut oil, banana puree, chia seeds, cashew butter, hemp seeds, vanilla, cinnamon, sea salt, rosemary, reishi extract.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
I was with you up until
I
that
might
one.
not even pronounce that right. I'm sorry if I did.
I mean, I'm used to a little bit different style food than she is.
That was
obviously.
terrible. I am so sorry, snack box senders. That was awful.
I mean, I like it.
Elizabeth, you need to reevaluate your granola bar.
It's not that bad.
It is though.
It has a distinct cinnamon like underlay flavor to it.
It's It's not the cinnamon.
All right. Hold it up. We are trying to cookie like these little cookie snacks. She says we've seen them at the dollar store. I know we've seen them somewhere. I don't know where. But she says that we see them at the Dollar Tree.
This one says Lotus. No, it doesn't.
Lotus? Mm.
This is dry cookie.
Mm-hmm. It's like a shortbread to me. What about you? It's like shortbread.
It's alright.
Like a crispy shortbread crunchiness.
It's your favorite cookie with coffee.
That explains it. It is delicious. So, like, just by itself, you don't really need the coffee, right? Like, I like coffee. I like this cookie. It's a crispy cookie. I like it.
Hey, you know what it doesn't tell you?
The
carbs or anything. There's no nutrition info. Useless.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's got two different kinds of sugar and two different kinds of flour and some cinnamon. So flour, sugar, cinnamon. They're tasty, but I bet they're about 13 grams per
cookie.
Per cookie, yeah, per cookie. Cookies are harsh. And lastly, we have the chocolate chip cookie.
I don't know who it's by. Oh wait, it's Janice and Melanie.
Ooh. So we're gonna dip into him real quick. Her, she, they. I don't know what their preferred pronouns would be.
Where, when, why? Dude, this is 19 grams for the cookie.
For both cookies or one?
There's only one cookie in this package.
Only one cookie. So we'll have to.
Apparently, we're not eating the cookie.
No, we got it. It's cool.
I'm gonna give you the chunks with more chocolate.
Oh yay! Diabetic gets more sugar. Mine almost looks like part of a like skeleton face or Jack Lantern. It's cute. It's cute.
It's like a chewy Chips Ahoy.
I mean, like, it's good, but nah. Apparently, that's not good.
It's not bad.
But for the amount of carbs that it has, like,
right, it's not the best cookie ever.
It's a little disappointing in me. What's so special about them?
That is made by Janice and Melanie.
Oh, I'm saying like, Oh, it's a family-run company. No preservatives and no trans fat.
I like that.
But it says that you're supposed to enjoy them with milk, coffee, tea, ice cream, or by themselves.
We ate it by itself.
But I don't think it would hold up to milk, coffee, or tea.
It's gonna be like,
you could crumble it on a ice cream.
You might make no ice cream sandwich.
I don't think it would hold up. Sorry, if you hear the beep, that's the Omnipod. I keep giving myself insulin for all this stuff. This is crazy. Crazy card.
Super crazy.
That was a disappointing 7 grams. What do you think? Yeah. Alright. So we've kind of ordered them in our favorites, so to speak. These, number 1 for sweet items. These were pretty good. They were kind of probably hard in carbs. We didn't really look into them very much. We know that we can get them at our dollar store and stuff. So we'll probably be picking up a pack of those or 2. too, because they seem really good for s'mores. Now, we really did enjoy these. They're the blue diamond, like, snack crackers.
It's a nut thin.
It's really good. We really like that.
They have them in other flavors.
A bunch of other flavors, and then different slices and such.
Yeah.
So we really like that. So those were fairly good. Now, Erin's number 3 pick was the barbecue chips. My number 3 pick was the apple slices. So she picked these for number 4, and I picked those for number 4. So I prefer, so these are like tied, I guess, for sake of argument today.
Textural differences.
So, yeah, but I did enjoy these. I liked these. These were very sweet and crunchy, and it hit all the boxes for me. Lightweight, good to go. Doesn't worry about getting crushed or yuck.
Cookies number 5.
Yeah, because, I mean, it was okay, but, I mean,
number of carbs kind of kills it.
The number of carbs for what you got. Like, you got
considering
one
it's a giant Chips Ahoy with no trans fat.
Right.
Or preservatives.
And
I mean, like, not saying it's bad, it's good.
You're doing your damn thing. So go ahead and do it. Right. But it's not
Props
really...
to Janice and Melanie.
It's not right up our lane for us. Like,
Not
barking
right.
up the wrong tree here.
I'm sorry, Elizabeth, but this was the worst thing ever.
Yeah, she hated
box.
this. This and the cookie, for me, was kind of tied. Like, it was a good granola bar if I was looking for something like that, but I would be afraid it would smelt and melt, so I would have to keep it kind of cool, and
It's really chunky.
it's a lot of work, especially when you can get, like, the individual servings of nut butter, and that tastes very similar to that. So, I mean, it depends on what you're doing and what your tastes are, but it's tied for 6.
Number 6.
She didn't care for it. So, and that's our lineup for today.
It wasn't a bad snack box. It
And
wasn't the best one.
And before we go, guys, I just wanted to show off my Finding Dory Hank the Octopus pod here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but our walk for diabetes is coming up. Here's Hank, Glitter Hank. So, and that would be in September, and we have just hit 10 subscribers. Woo, woo. We got 10. We're finally in the double digits. It took us forever. But nobody ever appreciates the low numbers. They always wait till like 1,000 to go ahead and do a giveaway. But you know what? We appreciate our 10 very, very first subscribers. So we are going to do a giveaway. And I want you guys to go ahead and comment below when you are subscribed. Write subscribe. And then underneath that, I want you to write your t-shirt size. And we are going to be giving away several, not just one, not just 2, not just 3, several t-shirts from our walkathon team. And so you will get official Fighting Flamingo gear. What do you think? We will go ahead, and you know what? Not just you if you watch. If you're a mom and you watch and you got a couple of kids or 3 kids or 5 kids, go ahead and write all your whole family, all of their t-shirt sizes below, and we will get a t-shirt to every person in your household. Official Fighting Flamingo gear. We will make sure that all of our first 10 subscribers get a shirt. We see you guys later. Go ahead and comment. Don't forget. Hey, we almost forgot, but we didn't, to give a shout out to our lovely Fighting Flamingos sponsors, KC Athletic Cheer. Go ahead and look them up. They do have a Facebook page. They've got an Instagram. These girls work their butts off, and they pull some amazing stunts. They have been world champs. They have been all sorts of champs. They have a whole wall full of medals and trophies. You need to go check these girls out. They have got it. So go look up KC Athletic Cheer.